Yo nginibingelele babukele emakhaya igama lami ngigcina Mzebele aka Mfana Ngoyoyo. We are here ehlelweni lenu Yo Zone lapho khona sihlatiya tindzaba ngemusic locally and international. As you can see ke nanamuhla I'm with Sakhile the Dawn.
Yeah.
Remember last week besinaye la eshowini asicocela nje ngemusic ngecareer yakhe nangemusic nje. Kuthi uphusha kanjani so sathembisa nakumbukele ekhaya ukuthi siphinde sibuye again today atosiperformela nemusic wakhe so namhlanje utawuvusela umbukeli ekhaya aphinde amtshele umbukeli ekhaya ukuthi no utawuperforma aphinde utawuperforma yipi ingoma
Ngiyanifusela babukele emakhaya igama njengoba nathi ngisakhile Dawn ngibuyile ke njengesithembiso sami. So yeah, I'm back and I'm here to do my thing. So yeah, njengoba nganithembisa ukuthi a full body of work this time and ngeke ngize ngincisha njengakucala but nje yeah hayi ngijabulile nami kuba la khaya.
So yeah. Big time, yeah. So you are going to perform 2 songs here.
Yeah. Namuhla ngiperforma 2 tingoma leti inspiration le youth.
Yes.
Kuthi kahle ungagive up man. Noma bangazama lokuphusha or bakutshele ukuthi lo kwentako kunjanjani. Wena nje as long as nawati ukuthi ufunani. Qhubeke awutathanza songcono.
Oh yes. So ngonike maybe the show tale tingoma maybe lo performance you are going to perform 2 songs.
Yes.
Then to performer
ingoma kuthiwa No Way igama layo.
Oh yes, No Way. Yeah. Then the other one
is called Southside NKY.
Big time. Southside NKY.
Lokusho ukuthi Southside Ngoyoyo.
Big time, yeah? You already know. Now last week remember sakucocela ukuthi kumele kuthini this thing. So now today siphinde siyakusita futhi ukuthi kumele kuthini this thing. So ngasiqale nje sikhulume ngale ekuqala. You said you to perform le ekuqala No Way. So nasingakhuluma nje ngayo ukuthi okay No Way ya recordeka kanjani bekwendeke nawe recorder. Phinde ikhuluma ngani nje kahle. Like breaking down the song.
Le ngoma lena man ngayenda bengise space in man lesi sebumnyameni nyana.
Big time.
So nangenda le beat I was away and I couldn't record le ngoma yabo. So ngalenda separately and ngangakhona ukubhala anything on it because I felt like the minute ngibhala kufuna kube the minute ngirecord.
Oh yes.
So I stayed with the beat for like a while, probably maybe inyanga nje or 2. Yebo so ngihleli nayo. But the minute ngafika na e-studio ngilapho la kwaphuma khona kusayi phela. Funa ukuthi ngiba encourage labantu futhi asingayekelini lento ngoba nami phela ngibeketele le beat leli kade nginalo solo ngitanalo ngasho ukuthi hayi man nangagive kube phela bekulula ukuthi ngigive up
because the beats lamanye ayeta nje eziqhubeka nalelo.
So at that point I was like angeke phela ngize give up that easily, so I had to reflect that on the song.
Oh yes,
so yeah, so that's how it came about. I was like, people trying to stop me, I'm like, no way.
Oh yeah.
People think I can switch, I'm like, no way.
Big time.
So, I'm always gonna stay true and stay true to my roots. Ngachinji nje ngibe ngilomuntu loyal ngifuna kuba nguwe bengisolo nguwe.
Ungabe so channel ukuthi bendani like yes, now sekufuna ukuthi wende njengami. Oh yes, coming back to the next one.
Oh, the Southside NK.
Yes, what inspired that song?
That song inspired. It came about when I was away from Swaziland, and you know, like I had music out there, like band leba udlala or leba wendago.
Yes.
And ngeva ngazuthi man athi kuthi labantu laba singabashaya 10 not man.
Yeah, nangathiwa nje sihleli.
Yebo.
Yeah, sinika lesikhathi sekuthi siyakho si-competition.
Yeah.
Sinikiwe le platform njengabo.
Yeah, uqinisile kuthi nje kusekuthiwe na mageja lingene. Uyabona? So Lena, it came about like that because I wanted to put Swati music to the world, like for
Big
real.
time, man.
Kube ngukuthi they know ukuthi Swati music is not like ukuthi English ngwane kakhulu, no. But at the end of the day, lo mflo hlabela lapha uSwati.
Oh yes.
So I was trying to represent that and then put that on the map. Ukuthi noma simaSwati, we can also do timvo letifana naleti. Yabo.
Oh yeah, ne.
So yona vele online it different from like inekuhluka nje kunaleti lengijwayele
Lo vamise kutenda ne.
Yes.
So sekuthiwa maybe okay, yes. There are these songs, the thing too. Then what now the record until you heard the idea nasengomveni ukuthi okay, ngifuna this type of audience.
Yeah.
Ngile audience yakho lobo targetile when you made those songs.
Okay.
Like maybe nangichazela ukuthi bamfula bakanjani labanga mostly labataw relator because there are some people laba relatako. Uyabona? To even letihloko nje taleti ngoma before uyidlale le ngoma. Uyabona? So nangaba like ukuthi ungibeke nje ukuthi okay, bamlaba kaso laba lalela lo music lo.
Okay, hayi ngoba.
Yes.
So kahle lo music ngisho ukuthi it's music for all ages, but at the end of the day like i-audience kakhulu levama ukuvibela ngilabancane labasakhula nje kusebahlakaniphile basema primary nyana.
Oh yes.
And then it goes to onke youth as well, you know, like even older people laba ngangabo babowethu nabo makubethu nabo at least bayawu
they relate.
Because nje some time ago kunale java bathi ngibandi ngiyaxolisha ulimenshina la.
Oh yes.
So ngalenye langa udlala music kanunawo lo music wami lapha efonini yakhe. So kunamako wakhe I think bebasemotweni.
Oh yes.
So nakawuva lo music lo mflo mdzala uthi wayiva lento lengisho lapha. Wahamba wangivimba ngalenye langa. Wathi hey ngivile lapha uyakhuluma.
Yes, no, you are talking.
So umuntu lomdzala ke lo sho njalo. Lengisho nje ukuthi vele it's music for all ages but ekakhulu nje it talks more about the struggle from the hood like kukhula nje tindzaweni lapho khona ama opportunities amancane. You need to make your own opportunities, you need to strive. So bottom line is for the hustlers and you know for music lovers.
Oh yeah. So looking forward to my performance. Ngisiphi nje maybe stage lobo ngafisa ukuthi maybe usherishele this type of music kito here in the country. Yeah.
I won't lie, Hypnotic is fire, but I would love to be on that stage and push fire as well, you know.
Oh yes.
Yeah, because those to me are like the most viewed platforms, you know, according to nowadays.
Oh yes.
So kungaba opportunity vele lenkulu kakhulu lokuthi ngikhanjise sinye saleti stage leto.
Oh yeah, ne.
Yeah.
So asasithi ke manje you wanna submit on Emma awards, Emma hip hop awards here in the country. There are hip hop awards in the country. Which category long aba comfortable ukuthi maybe ube nominated kiyo?
Okay, I mean it goes without saying on this part. I mean people obviously go but tohlale bacabanga ukuthi newcomer mawuvela.
Oh yes.
So
yeah.
I mean logo angakumention nje the newcomer part. So category I would love to be in like probably best producer.
Oh yes.
I mean best song of the year, probably, you know, things like that. And best hip hop song, actually, let me put it like that.
Oh,
Best
yes.
hip hop song and most streamed songs, yeah, something
Yes.
like that. I'm striving for things like that because I wanna be seen. I want people to know what I'm coming with, yabo. Like beve nabo kusekuyathi le journey story leli man.
Oh yeah. So what yini lo ngakusho maybe kubamvu labahleti lapha ekhaya maybe nabo laba cause khona labasibukelako mina nje I know them. Labasibukelako nyalo laba intabona lo music yabona. Labafisile ukuthi okay yathi nami ngiyafisa ukuthi ngenda music ngifike kule point lokuthi ngafika lapha ku TV lapha ngifike ngibasherishele bamvu ungathi nje emvini lo kanjalo lo saqhamuka lapha lo sa tata bathi usazama yabona lemvo le uthi usazama nekubhala usengakakwadi yambo but lo mfunayo le passion ye music yes ungathini emvini lo kanjalo lapha lo hleti ukuthi
So hey mina akukho lokuningi lengakusho ngaphandle kokuthi kuphupha maphupho ayafezeka. So na uyifuna lento utayithola khululeka wena nje faka lesikhathi la kulento fake lamandla yabo. So but at the end of the day lenkusho kwababukeli ukuthi kuzufike mani kulento lofuna kuba ngiyo kufuna ukuthi upractice kufuna ukuthi ufaile kanengi kuze upass.
Oh yes.
Yeah, kufuna ukuthi uwe kanengi kuze ukwadi kuhamba. So ngaleso sizathu ngisho ukuthi thola likurusu lakho nje somewhere practice namuhla uzama lo yento namuhla indlule le yayitolo yabo kanjalo lapho tatikhanza songcono nje umangale nayo usikanjani. So lengisho ukuthi consistency and practice will go a long way.
So mbukele ekhaya sehlelweni yozone sinasakhile Don uyasho ke sakhile lana ukuthi kumbukele ekhaya impilo ikaso ithi you lose then you win. Uyatibonela mos you lose then you win. Usho njalo sakhile uthi impilo ikanjalo nje nangabe umuntu lo ne passion in music utawuluza uluze kwesi2 uphinde uluze kwesi3 bese uyawina yabo ukuthi uwine kanye but uluze ka3
yeah mara le win itaw
coverisha bonke lokho yes
yes
that's big things
yeah
big time.
Was investor lesikhathi sakho vele le win le coverisha wonke lama losses lawo ngala ngemuva
nempilo nje kanjalo yeah nempilo kanjalo na ungayinaka impilo you lose phinde you lose then you win so babukele ekhaya sehleleni yozone sakhile Don uto performa music wakho utocala ngani ngenowhere
no way
then bese sekuta NKY big time. So stay tuned babukele emakhaya sakhile is going to perform his music, very good music. I hope ndawujabulela.
Hayi siyabonga babukele emakhaya.
I don't know nothing about no haters on the block. I don't know nothing, I don't know just what you heard. Swat the music to the world, put my city on the map. Let's go. Yeah, I put mine on the line. Boy, I barely made that shot from the south side NKY. That's the valley of the beast. Yeah, I put mine on the line. Boy, I barely made that shot from the south side NKY. That's the valley of the beast. Now I'm gone, capiche? I don't need no speech. You won't get this high, man, this that level gunners won't reach. I done did my part, pay my dues without no deal. wishing things could change. Shawty, I don't make the rules. Dwanna's got ADHD. The only reason they hating on me, yeah. Feels like I'm righting my wrongs. That's every time when I'm writing these hooks, yeah. Designer drip on my denim. Really had nothing. I came from the crowd. They shawty pull up on me. She like, yo man, I'm loving that beat. I'm from the hood, yeah, I said it. Baddies out here don't show no love. You better cry me a river until all the tears can fill up a tub. Ace, I told you we up. Just let them try, they don't do it like us. Pen game lead, of course. Hand me that mic, my body some short, yeah. I don't know nothing about no haters on the block. I don't know nothing, I don't know just what you heard. Swat the music to the world, put my city on the map. Let's go. Yeah, I put mine on the line. Boy, I barely made that shot from the south side NKY. That's the valley of the beast. Yeah, I put mine on the line. Boy, I barely made that shot from the south side NKY. That's the valley of the beast. Did it just to flex. Eyes on me, they freeze. I just capped the new AP. Gave it to my niece. I don't do apologies. I ended that thing with Patrice. Don't know what you heard. Tryna switch on me, that's cold. I get it all in bulk. Shop and move the rest. House clean, don't make a mess. Take your shots, but do your best. I get it all in bulk. Shop and move the rest. House clean, don't make a mess. Take your shots, but do your best.
Yo, welcome back, Babukele Makaya. It's NKY. You already know the deal. NKY. So, utivele now what's in my blog kwendekani. Phela mina I'm AKA Mfanango Yoyo. So, when you're talking about bo NKY, so nami ngidivanga lapha. Yeah, ibone ngone.
Fana NKY.
Big time. Yeah, no. So, uqeda perform ingoma Sakhile Dawn. Yeah. It's NK Southside NKY. Utivele na mbukele ekhaya. It's a very nice song. It's a storytelling song nje. Khuluma like kuthi kwendekane ngoyoyo. Uvile it's a kahle ngoyoyo it's a belly of the beast.
Yeah, that's
belly of the beast. If you know, you know.
Yeah.
And if you don't know, see nothing inginga ye. But then we are here at Kelweni, your zone. Statia tinzaba nge music is na SK lana SK8 mina ngimbita nga skate. But in Sakhile Dawn, utasitshela nje naye ukuthi okay, lapha nangithi bengithi, lapha nangithi lo kumcoka la kule ngoma. Ngomane nje usita umbukele ekhaya because khona lapha ibeke ecika khona.
Yeah,
yabo. Yabona sekukhunywa ngabo NKY. Akasa relate lo mntu. Amfake lesithombe ukuthi hayi.
So like lengoma it goes cause laqaleni ne it's I don't know what you heard. I never seen haters on the block, you know, which means there's no one hating on each other around here. Yabona. At the end of the day we're doing the same thing.
Oh yes.
Yeah. So it goes on and say like swat the music to the world, put my city on the map. So lapho it obviously means ukuthi lo mculo wala kangwana na ufuna
bawuve le Chicago.
Yes.
Bawuve le Las Vegas.
London.
Hollywood. Bathi ukuthi kunamfana ngoyo. Yes.
Bona basilalela ngani?
Uyayibona le mbona. And we are doing the same thing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Nabo benda lama patterns lethu endawo. Bashaya ama flows leso washayako mina ngiva ukuthi bese siluka ngani laki.
Yabo so like le support kufuna ukuthi I reciprocate. You get me? Now we got 50% now, I return 50% on my side. So it basically means that, like, put my city on the map.
So Babukele Makaya, we are developing now. Sakhile Dawn, we are speaking the story. Good, okay, ingoma yaqhamuka. Okay, sivile ukuthi nasikhuluma kuqala ushito stop performa two of my songs. Then the other song kube nenkinga nje lapha nalapha but lesitayilungisa sethemba ukuthi umbukeli utawuhlale nje gadzile sitabuya nayo ino hair ayive ngovalelise umbukeli ekhaya.
Ngicela kuvalelisa ababukeli ekhaya ngicela ngikuxolisa eshikube nema problems nyana but it's nothing, you know. So ngibongile kubala showini Your Zone. Shout out to the host.
Big time.
Ngoyoyo, NKY, don't forget.
Yeah.
So yeah, you guys have a good night, good evening. So
Big time.
sale kahle.
So siyabonga babukele emakhaya ehlelweni Your Zone.